Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over how you would replace your ABS sensor on a Honda Fit. So we've got a connection up here that goes inside, and then we've got this metal piece. We just removed this. You just remove this. This is sold all as one unit together, so we don't need to worry about getting these out of these clips and pressing them back in. And this is all one unit. This one we just have to pull out of this clip here, and then this one is just a plastic clip that we got to remove. Also will come with your new one to put in here. But we'll start with down here at the bottom where you got to undo a 10mm bolt and then pull this out of the bottom here, and this is actually where the sensor does its work. So right here we're going to loosen that. It's already been loosened. Then you just remove it completely, and then work it a little bit to get it out of there, and hopefully you don't break the plastic inside the hole there. Alright, and then this clip. So we pulled this clip out, and then you want to pull on, just kind of rock this out. This is just a rubber grommet stuck in here. All right, and work that out. And then this one here is size 12. Right, so remove that. It's got a little tab here that's holding it into place there. And then the next thing is we got to work this piece out of here and do our best. Alright, so we've gotten this piece out here, and the next here we have this that's pushed in right there. So let's just go ahead and pop that out. Now you're going to want to use a good little pick tool. We'll be able to kind of pop it down and pull out the top. Pop the bottom one up and pull out the bottom, and then when you pull it out, this is where you get to the actual connector, electrical connector, and you're just going to squeeze this little tab and pull it apart. And that's how you remove your ABS sensor to replace it if you have a bad one. So we go ahead, we got our new one, or when you get a new one, you do it in the reverse order. Just go ahead and push this connector back together. Makes that nice little click noise. And then you can just put this in here. And see, this has a little indent there. So that's noting that it's got a groove on that side, and so it's only going to go in one way. Right, and just clip it into place. Then you put this back on there, get your 12mm bolt that goes there, tighten it up, and then we just follow the process of putting everything back where the old one was. Right, clip that into there, and then we clip this back over into here, and so those are all clipped in there. And then the last is working down here where you put the actual sensor in this hole, and then you put that 10mm bolt right here. So that's all installed, tightened up. Everything is routed where it was. And so that's how you install your ABS sensor, a new ABS sensor on a 2011 Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.